Here is how to get the Hily premium. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get the premium features on your Hily account. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you have logged into your Hily account, you will come to the discover section like this. Now, in order to get the premium features, you can simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. After you tap on the profile icon, it will take you to your profile like this. Now just below your name, you will find various advertisements like this. As you scroll below, you will find this option called Get Hily Premium. Tap on it. As you tap on it, it will show you the two options that it has in the premium section. For example, you can get either the Hily Premium or the Hily Premium Plus. Along with that, you can also see all the facilities and features that you will be getting with the premium plan. So check the features of both the plans, then after decide what you want to get. After you have decided, tap on this Get Started option that you can see at the bottom. Now you will have to choose the time frame regarding the premium subscription. So decide how long you want the premium features for. You can get it either for 1 week, 1 year or for lifetime. So select the option that best fits your preference. Then after tap on Continue. After you tap on Continue, you will have to complete the purchase. So first of all, you will have to add a payment method. You can use either your credit or debit card. So add your card details. Then after make the payment. After you make the payment, the premium plan will be subscribed on your account. So in this way you can easily get Hily Premium. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.